Okay, Blue just came over. He's like, hey, what's going on, girls? What's everyone digging around over here for? Yeah, what are you giving them? I'm hungry too, you know. I don't like corn, but you could bring me some sardines.
Oh, I wonder if he would eat them.
Probably.
Oh my god, I can't start buying that too. Jesus Christ.
Huh? You can't buy me sardines? Aw, man.
There's someone here, buddy.
That's not cool.
How small Mama is. Mama, you're eating. Hey.
All right, guys, I need to show you my Mo.
Oh boy.
Where's Mo?
This is right here.
Oh, Momo. Mo. Hey, who just whistled? Like that. Momo. This is Mo.
Oreo.
Mo has a crooked beak.
What you doing, Blue?
Now Blue's mad. Whoa! Where's Oreo?
Oreo is over here.
Whoops. You go, Blue. You go. Go, Blue. All right, and then here's Oreo. And dive. I love it.
And he doesn't eat corn. He's just...
No, he's right here with us, guys. Look. Here we are. And that's where he is. Well, where'd he go? Oh, he was on the other side of the log. He might have came back on this side. I'm not
right,
sure.
Mama? Come on, you can come up. Come on, Mama. There's food up here.
Is that Uno?
Oh, no.
Uno,
Oh, no.
is that you? I can't tell.
Yeah.
Let me see that little leg.
No, it's not him.
It's not. Oh, he's got it.
Oh, Mo.
Oh, there's Oreo. And dive.
No, Nina.
Come on, Oreo, dive.
Daddy and Nina. No.
Oreo.
Be nice.
So silly.
Dude, Daddy's gonna
He's so silly.
get that
Look,
one.
here's my Momo. Momo, look at me.
Come here, Nina.
Mo, look. Mo, look at me. Mo, come here, look at me. Mo, look up. Look up, look over here, Mo. Over here. Yep, see that crooked beak? I got a crooked beak. Aw.